We've all heard of positive affirmations. So that's where we say things like, I am so great, I learn really easily, that I am so beautiful. And what happens is we say these things over and over again, and we're bringing it into the unconscious that this is true for us. But I don't know about you, but I've been saying a lot of them in the past for a long time, and they never really did any good. Because what happens is when I say that I am really beautiful, I get this voice about here or from up wherever, and this voice will say, no you're not. Like, what are you talking about? And what happens is we can be reaffirming that voice. So many years ago, I heard of a way of flipping this around and really making your affirmations really solid and actually come true. And that is empowering questions. And what you do is you take your statement and you turn it into a question, because this mind that we have is amazing. It is so fascinating, so intricate, that even today, after landing people on the moon and going to Mars, they still don't know the full power and dynamics of the brain. And what this brain has is it has like a little Google search that we can type things into, but we don't have to type them, we just have to say them. So what happens is when I say I am so beautiful, we type that into the Google search, and what will happen is the brain will go back and it will find proof for why that's true, because I'm saying, why am I so beautiful? So it's instead of saying I am so beautiful, the moment we say I am beautiful, and we have resistance. This is only if we have resistance to it. But if we think we're beautiful, there's no resistance. But if there's a resistance, like a voice or something that's going, this is not quite so true, we can be reaffirming the resistance. So when we ask, why am I? There is no resistance. And it just goes back and it starts searching and it starts looking around. And it goes, well, you know what? You're looking after yourself a lot better now. You're maintaining your stress-free lifestyle. You're eating better foods. You're being whatever it is. It will go through all of its resources and they will just pop into your head. Sometimes not straight off. So sometimes it might be after a while. You know, you might be doing something an hour later and you're like, oh, that's right. I'm choosing that now. And gradually they will filter down. So these are called empowering questions. And Noel St. John, many years later, called them affirmations. So you're forming the affirmation, affirmations. They are a brilliant thing to do. So that's one of the ways to really make positive affirmations stick and really become real inside of you. So they feel real. They start to become more true to you. You embody it the longer that you say it. So give it a try. So you just have any statement that you have. Say you want more money in your life. I'll just give you some more examples so you can really get, because this is a brilliant thing to do. So you want more money in your life, and let's say it's $10,000. Why is it so easy for me to attract $10,000 into my life? Why do I always find that I have over $10,000 in my bank account? Why is it that money just keeps coming to me? Why is it I feel so abundant and prosperous? And why is it I feel so rich? Why is it that I'm a money magnet? Why is it that money just loves me? It just keeps showing up in so many unexpected ways. And do you get it? Why?